Did you know some animals have senses beyond our wildest imagination? Senses that allow them to perceive the world in ways we can only dream of. In the depths of the ocean, a predator stalks its prey, guided not by sight, but by an unseen force. High in the sky, a tiny creature navigates vast distances with pinpoint accuracy, using an internal compass that honestly just defies explanation. Join me, dear viewers, as we journey into the heart of the animal kingdom to uncover the secrets of these extraordinary sixth senses. In the murky, winding rivers and tranquil billabongs of eastern Australia, a creature of peculiar appearance glides silently beneath the surface. Its movements are almost ghost-like, barely disturbing the water as it hunts in the dim, silty depths. This animal is a true marvel of evolution, perfectly adapted to a world where sight is often useless and sound is muffled by the thick riverbed mud. This is the platypus, a creature so strange and unique that, when European naturalists first encountered it in the late 18th century, they thought it was an elaborate hoax. With its duck-like bill, beaver-like tail, and webbed feet, the platypus seemed to defy all logic. Some even suspected that pranksters had stitched together parts from different animals. But the platypus is very real, and its odd appearance is just the beginning of its story. The platypus, you see, possesses a remarkable sixth sense: electroreception. While most mammals rely on sight, smell, or hearing to find food, the platypus has evolved a completely different strategy. When it dives, it closes its eyes, ears, and nostrils, shutting out the outside world. In the darkness, it becomes a hunter guided not by light or sound, but by electricity. Hidden within its soft, leathery bill are over 40,000 electroreceptors, tiny, specialized cells that can detect the faintest electrical fields. Every living creature generates weak electrical signals when their muscles contract, even the tiniest twitch of a shrimp or the wriggle of a worm. The platypus's bill is so sensitive, it can pick up these signals through layers of mud and water, allowing it to locate prey that is completely invisible to the naked eye. As the platypus moves through the water, its bill sweeps methodically from side to side, like a living metal detector. It searches the riverbed, probing into crevices, sifting through pebbles, and brushing aside leaves. Each movement is calculated, each sweep a search for the telltale electrical signature of hidden prey. The platypus can even distinguish between the electrical patterns of different animals, helping it decide what to pursue and what to ignore. Shrimps, worms, insect larvae, even the smallest aquatic creatures, none can escape this electrifying hunter. With lightning-fast reflexes, the platypus snaps up its prey, storing it in special cheek pouches before surfacing to eat. Its diet is as varied as the river itself, and its hunting technique is unmatched in the animal kingdom. Imagine, if you will, a world painted not in light and shadow but in the ebb and flow of invisible electrical currents. For the platypus, the river is alive with signals, each pulse and flicker a clue, each surge a potential meal. It navigates this hidden landscape with a sense that is almost alien to us, experiencing its environment in a way that no other mammal can. This is the world of the platypus, a world where electricity guides every hunt, and where one of nature's strangest creatures reigns as the undisputed master of electroreception. The vast ocean, a realm of mystery and wonder, stretches endlessly beyond the horizon, its surface shimmering under the sun, and its depths concealing secrets that have fascinated humankind for centuries. From the gentle sway of the tides to the thunderous crash of waves against rocky cliffs, the ocean is a world unto itself, a place where life began and where countless stories remain untold. Beneath the waves, an entire universe thrives, teeming with creatures both familiar and utterly alien, each adapted to survive in this ever-changing environment. Among these inhabitants are beings whose abilities seem to defy the boundaries of nature, creatures with senses that border on the supernatural. Some can see in total darkness, others communicate with light or sound, and a select few possess powers that seem almost magical to us. The ocean is not just a place of beauty but a stage for the most extraordinary adaptations on Earth. Take for instance the shark, an apex predator that has ruled the seas for millions of years. With a lineage stretching back over 400 million years, sharks have survived mass extinctions, climate shifts, and the rise and fall of continents. Their streamlined bodies and powerful jaws are legendary, but it is their hidden senses that truly set them apart from other hunters of the deep. Unbeknownst to the unsuspecting eye, sharks possess a hidden network of sensors, known as the ampullae of Lorenzini, scattered across their head and snout. These tiny, gel-filled pores form a sophisticated array, allowing sharks to detect the faintest electrical signals in the water. To the casual observer, these pores might look like nothing more than small dots, but they are the key to one of the most remarkable sensory systems in the animal kingdom. These pores, filled with a jelly-like substance, are exquisitely sensitive to electrical fields, even those as weak as a heartbeat. Every living creature generates a tiny electrical current, and the ampullae of Lorenzini allow sharks to pick up on these signals with astonishing precision. This means that even in murky water or in the dead of night, a shark can home in on the faintest flicker of life, guided not by sight or sound but by the invisible language of electricity. Imagine a fish, hidden beneath the sand, its body perfectly camouflaged against the ocean floor, lying motionless in the hope of avoiding detection. To most predators, this fish would be invisible, a ghost among the grains. But to a shark, equipped with its extraordinary sixth sense, the fish's heartbeat is as clear as a beacon. The shark glides silently above, its sensors attuned to the faintest pulse, and in an instant it strikes with unerring accuracy. The ocean may be vast, but for the shark no prey can truly hide. It's as if the shark can sense the very life force of its prey, a power that makes it an almost mythical hunter of the deep. This remarkable ability has earned sharks a reputation as the lords of the electric sea, creatures whose mastery of their environment is matched only by the awe they inspire. In the endless blue, where survival depends on senses beyond our imagination, the shark reigns supreme, a living testament to the wonders of evolution and the enduring mysteries of the ocean. In the heart of the rainforest, under the cover of darkness, a danger lurks. The pit viper, a serpent with a fearsome reputation, possesses a sixth sense that makes it a deadly predator. Between its eyes and nostrils are two heat-sensing pits, organs so sensitive that they can detect minute temperature differences in their surroundings. To the pit viper, the world is awash in infrared radiation, a heat map that reveals the location of its warm-blooded prey. A mouse, hidden amongst the leaves believing itself to be safe under the cloak of night, is betrayed by its own body heat. The pit viper strikes with deadly precision, guided by its thermal vision, a sixth sense that turns the darkness into an advantage. High above us, soaring effortlessly on the wind, pigeons navigate vast distances with uncanny accuracy. How do they do it? These seemingly ordinary birds possess a remarkable sixth sense, magnetoreception. Deep within their bodies, scientists believe, lie tiny magnetic particles that act like a built-in compass, allowing pigeons to sense the Earth's magnetic field. This invisible force becomes their guide, a map etched not on paper, but on the very fabric of the planet. Across continents, over mountains and oceans, the pigeon flies, its internal compass guiding it home with unerring precision. It's a testament to the power of nature, a sixth sense that turns these birds into feathered navigators. In the depths of the ocean, where sunlight fades and the world is cloaked in a mysterious blue darkness, life takes on a different rhythm. Here in this vast underwater expanse, vision is limited, and the senses we rely on above the surface become almost useless. Yet for dolphins, this is not a world of uncertainty or confusion. Instead, it is a realm of extraordinary perception, where sound becomes the brush that paints their reality. In this darkness, dolphins have mastered a sixth sense, a remarkable adaptation that allows them to navigate, hunt, and communicate with astonishing precision. This sense is called echolocation, and it is nothing short of magical. Echolocation is a biological sonar, a gift that lets dolphins perceive their surroundings with clarity that rivals, and sometimes even surpasses, human sight. With this ability, dolphins can see with sound, constructing a detailed mental image of the world around them, even in pitch-black waters. The process begins when a dolphin emits a rapid series of clicks, high-pitched sounds that travel swiftly through the water. These clicks are not random. They are carefully modulated, each one carrying information about the dolphin's intentions and environment. As these sounds move outward, they encounter objects, fish, rocks, even other dolphins, and bounce back as echoes. The returning echoes carry with them a wealth of information, the size, shape, distance, and even the texture of whatever they have struck. The echoes are picked up by the dolphin's lower jaw, which acts as a sophisticated receiver. This jawbone is filled with specialized fat that conducts sound directly to the dolphin's inner ear, allowing it to detect even the faintest vibrations. These vibrations are then transmitted to the inner ear, where they are converted into electrical signals and sent to the brain. The dolphin's brain, highly developed and attuned to sound, interprets these signals with incredible speed and accuracy. Imagine, if you will, perceiving the world not through light and color, but through a symphony of echoes. Every click, every returning sound, adds another brushstroke to the dolphin's mental canvas, revealing hidden details and painting a vivid picture of the unseen. In this world, the boundaries of vision are redefined. Dolphins can detect a fish hiding in the sand, sense the approach of a distant predator, or find their way through a maze of coral reefs, all without relying on their eyes. For dolphins, sound is not just a tool for survival, it is the very fabric of their existence. Their world is alive with the echoes of their own voices, a living tapestry woven from clicks, whistles and songs that travel for miles beneath the waves. Each dolphin has its own unique signature whistle, a name that it carries throughout its life. Through these sounds they share information, express emotions, and strengthen the bonds of their social groups. The power of echolocation is a testament to the ingenuity of nature, a reminder that even in the darkest places, life finds a way to thrive. In the world of the dolphin, sound is not just heard, it is seen, felt, and understood. It is the language of survival, the art of connection, and the music of the deep. From the murky rivers to the vast oceans, from the rainforest floor to the open sky, the animal kingdom is alive with extraordinary senses. These sixth senses, honed by millions of years of evolution, allow creatures to navigate their world, find food, and avoid danger in ways that we are only just beginning to understand. The platypus, the shark, the pit viper, the pigeon, the dolphin, these are but a few examples of the wonders that await us when we open our minds to the hidden realms of the natural world. Which animal's sixth sense amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more mysteries of nature.